Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Claire with Destin Creativity. In this video, I'm showing you how I made this simple but beautiful lamp. I'll link all the material in the description box below. So let's begin. I'm starting off with this open jar that I got from Michael's at $2 because it had a damage. And I'm going to use white spray paint to paint it in the inside so I can keep this glassy look on the outside. And the next thing is I'll be using these hoops as well. I got them from Joanns. They are 10 inches, and also these chopping mats, and this will create our lampshade. Now I'll be gluing using a E6000 and hot glue so that it's firm enough. If this is your first time here, I'm so glad to have you. Just please don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload. Thank you. So first glue the first mat, and you have to hold it a little while before releasing so that the glue is intact. And I also use some clips to just keep the mat in place. Or you can as well first join the 3 mats and then just round them up around the hoops. That might be actually easier. So this is how it looks like so far. And now I'm going to be using this shower curtain that I got from Walmart. Now I love these colors, so I'm going to try using it onto this lampshade. Now it's very delicate, so you don't want it to burn out as you're working using the hot glue. But I think it's a really nice add to this shade. Now all I'll be using is the hot glue, but I'll be really careful so I don't tear it up. I think this lampshade is really beautiful with these flowers. So I'll be using this diamond wrap, and this will be covering the hoops. Now this wrap is a bit thick, so I just cut it into 2 so I can have smaller strips for the upper part and the bottom part. And now I cut out cardboard, and these are 1.5 inches in width, and these I'll be gluing on the inside of this lampshade. These will be holding my remote lights. I also cut out small boards to balance out the surface because I'll be gluing this vase onto this piece. For the base, I'll be gluing this mirror together with the vase. I got the mirror from 99-cent store, and it's just a wall mirror. So I'll be using E6000 and the hot glue, and also to attach it onto the lampshade. Then I'll also be gluing the base using this bling wrap so I can cover up the glue. Easy, pretty, simple is really the definition for this lamp. I'm in love with it so much, and I'll be adding the remote lights. But before that, I made this other piece, kind of an addition to this. It will be a smaller lampshade, and all I did was to use the mat and the curtain as well, glued them together, and I'll be rounding them up. I'm just sitting here. I got time. I tied it like this so that it could get more round as I work on the base. Now I cut out foam board. The diameter here is 4.4 inches, and I covered one face of it using mirror reflective paper, and that's the part that will be on the inside of the vase. Now I just used hot glue and E6000 to wrap around the mat. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. Before I fully covered it around, I remembered I had to add the lights because I won't be able to add them if I seal it all. So I'll be using two-sided tape and these two remote lights to glue them on the two faces. And these are again remote controlled, so I won't have to access them. So that's how they'll be working. They have different levels, so it's really cool. And now I'll seal it once again with the E6000 and the hot glue. I ended up stapling the meeting parts because the mat was a bit small, so you reduce the size of these boards by, you can make them 4 inches so that the mat is really exact and can overlap. So my final bit was to just add this wrap to cover up this intersection, and this was done as well. The lampshade looks so good. I thought I would just add this round mirror and also my small vase. And yeah, that will create the magic. It's clear to see from up here. The cool thing about these lights is you can reduce the intensity, so you can make it either too strong or too soft, whichever way you prefer. I used two-sided tape and also 4 remote lights for the big lampshade, and that's it. The whole arrangement was done, and I'm really in love with this lamp. It was really easy to make, and the material is affordable, but I really love the glamour that it brought as well as the bling. If you did love this as well, let me know in the comments. Or if you would do it differently, just let me know. And also, for the DIY for this side table, I'll link it in the description box below so you can check it out as well. But that's it. Thank you so much. I hope you love this. Please give me a like, share with your family and friends, and subscribe, as well as turn on the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye. To be